Hello everyone, it's Malika B. I'm back with another amazing luxury fashion designer unboxing from none other than Christopher John Rogers. Y'all know that's my favorite designer in the world. And I am going to show you the beautiful tulip gown that I was able to get from Bergdorf. This is from their collection 8. So, it arrived and I was just so excited. I couldn't even believe that I had this dress in my house. I'm like, girl, can you believe it? Like, it's amazing. It's given everything. And let's go ahead and look. Ooh, this is a wonderful, sumptuous red. This is a strapless gown, and it has a fitted bodice with an internal boning, and it has the tri-colored silk taffeta at the front in that beautiful purple. There's a red, and then there's a goldenrod color. I got this in the size 0, and I'm glad I did because it actually runs big. It fits more like a 4, and I'm more like a 2-4. More than like a 2 up top, but it fits more like a 4, so it does have some looseness to it. So I'm really glad that I was able to get it in this size, and it just magically worked out. So if you have trypophobia, I feel bad for you, son, because this dress has a lot of circles, and it's just a really beautiful visual effect. If you look at it up, look at how it looks. Like, it's just striking, stunning. Nobody made a dress like this. No one has a dress like this, and it's very, very beautiful. It was made in the United States, in Brooklyn, in their studio, in the garment district in New York. It's lovely. It's well made. I was able to get this on a clearance, like a really good clearance. And if I had the money, I would have paid full price for it. But I was like, hey, let's jump on that clearance and go ahead and save money on it, because I don't know why you would not miss out on a gorgeous evening gown by a CFDA awarded black designer like Christopher John Rogers. So it's beautiful. It's pretty. It has a structured silhouette. It's maxi length, definitely down to the floor, and it has a vented back. It is difficult to get into, and it has a back zip. Unfortunately, the back zipper was stuck, and it kept getting stuck when I continued to put it on. I don't know if I'm going to include video of that or not, but it was definitely hard to actually put it on. Here is me dancing around, but it has a Cupra lining. It's dry clean only, of course, and it is the moment. Enjoy. One thing about me is that I'm going to enjoy the heck out of my life. Like, I want to live vibrantly. I want to be excited. And I'm not here to shrink myself. I'm not here to appease someone else's stagnation or to make somebody else feel comfortable if they don't like to dance. I don't care. I can dance. I'm not the best dancer in the world, but I have some skill. I have some motion. And Beyoncè will bring that out of you. And CJR will also bring that out of you. And my hat is also by Sergio Hudson. My earrings are actually by a black designer, Valerie. Oh my God, I forgot the last name, but it's, oh my goodness, you guys. Yes, they're actually from the UK. They are from Valerie. Oh my goodness, I'm going to figure this out really, really quick. Valerie Christina in the UK. And so I'm supporting black designers heavily. And I have an Egyptian necklace on from Lili Sadugi in the picture. And, the top is like luxury fast fashion house of CB. I mean, I'm enjoying myself. I'm really going to be here just showcasing the joy that fashion gives. Unboxing is fun, but like, how does it make you feel when you put them clothes on? What do you do when you put those clothes on? What's natural to you? Like, this is what naturally comes from my soul, is to just enjoy. Beyonce. I throw my own Beyonce concert in the house and just have some fun. Can't wait until I get into a studio to actually do a photo shoot in these pieces. But for now, at home, I will celebrate. You better dress up too if you want to, because it actually makes you feel good. This has been healing for me during this whole pandemic, is to express myself and my personality through dance and through fashion and makeup. So have a beautiful, marvelous day. Thanks so much for watching my channel. Be sure to like and subscribe and share the content. Bye, y'all.